In this project, I'm accessing accelerometer data on Arduino Nano 33 IoT board through LSM6DS3 IMU module. Okay, so now let's access the data. Cool, right? In this project, I used a flame sensor and the Arduino Nano 33 IoT board connected to the Arduino IoT cloud to make a flame detector project. So the project is working pretty well. In this project, we are accessing the temperature value on the Arduino Nano 33 IoT board. And we are using an LED screen to display the temperature value. In this project, we are accessing accelerometer data on Nano 33 IoT to control an RGB LED. Cool, right? In this project, we are accessing accelerometer data to control this robot car.